Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing good. Today's tutorial about this top, as you can see. So if I explain a bit, it's a tiered top, as you can see. And it has a bell-shaped sleeve, like bloom-shaped sleeve, and it has a flat collar. And if I turn the back of the top, um, here it is. Again, it's tiered at back as well, and with invisible zip. Yeah, and 3 tiers. As usual, before I start the tutorial, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you like to see more videos about how I'm doing my design development processes, and of course other videos as well about sewing and all the sewing bits. Let's begin. Before that, I'll remind you that you can buy this top from my website and all the social media that I have linked in below, and fabric as well. And if you want to make this top from your liking fabric, of course you can buy this block from below links as well. So reminding all the stuffs, and let's start our tutorial now. First of all, we'll see what are the fabric pieces we need. This is the collar. We need 2 of them, and I have done parallel to the selvage on fold. This is front bodies. Again, same parallel to the selvage on fold, and side dart as well. And only one we need. And this is back piece. Actually we need 2 of them, and again same detailing. And this is sleeve, need 2 of them, and middle of the sleeve I had done the cut marks. These are 2 panels for the bottom sleeve and need 2 of them. These snip sides attach into the sleeve part. And this is first frill. I need 2 of them. Again I have done cut marks middle as well as on top of the frill as well, which goes upwards, it says. And this is second frill, 2 of them, same detailing. And this is third frill, which is last one. All are parallel to the selvage. And these 2 stripes are for bottom sleeve binding, and we need invisible zip which goes at the back. And this is my color of thread. I'm not using the white color because this color really blend with all the multicolors in the fabric. So we are starting with the fusing to the collar, one piece of the collar, and here I am using only very thin fusing. That's why I am pinning it down first. And cut around it. Actually, I have done separate video how I did my collar mock-up for the flat collar. You can watch that as well. I will share the link below, then you can have a good idea of it, because it's all clear. This fabric is multicolor. Sometimes you cannot see it. Here I have finished the collar. Now I go to do the side darts and the shoulder attachments as well. Like that, keep the shoulders to shoulder and leave the 1/2 inch seam allowance as I am doing always. And these are my 1 pieces of each frills. What I'm going to do is cut from middle of the each frills and make into 2 for the back piece attachments. After that, I'm gathering all the pieces Let's cut it through. Here I have attached all the gathered frills together and attached the two bodices and overlock each seams. I used heavy duty gathering foot because it saves you a lot of time. Now I got to do is attaching invisible zip at the back. Place the invisible zip teeth inside the left hand side grout and stitch down, and it has to be very neat and tidy. Here is the other side. I'm using now right hand side grout. That way I'm not stitching the zip upside down. Now I go to match my seams at the back. So I am here closing down zip from the bottom and match other side as well. That way I can match my waistline at the seam. Here I have finished the invisible zip. I have matched all the seams. Now time to finish off the middle panels. This is the foot I am using. Like this, you catch all 4 layers and put away from your foot. And do the back stitch. And same seam allowance, just close down up to the end. And make sure you match all the seams like we did earlier. This is how it looked. See, all the seams should be matching. Now it's time to attach the collar. Before that, I have tagged my brand label as well at the back. Fusing side of the collar goes with back of your garment and pin it down all around. Now I have attached one piece of collar to the neckline. Now I go to do is cover all the seams with other side of the collar. Now go to make the snips inside of the collar for the seam allowances which goes inside the collar. Now all I got to do is stitch around the collar by covering all the seams inside. You pin it down first, make it neat and give it a good press as well after you done the pin it down, and sew this top stitch and this is how I did. And now it's time to sew around the neck, starting from that end to this end. I finished attaching the collar to the bodies, and this is how it looks. So next step is attaching the sleeves into the armholes like this, and sew along to attach two armholes, and go to attach other little pieces as well at the bottom of the sleeve. There we go. I have finished my sleeve attachment along with that lower part of the sleeve, and I have done the overlocking as well. Now I have left to do is do the side seams. Make sure you match all the seams from the front and back panels. In here, when I'm attaching my side seams, I make sure all the seams going upwards. The reason I'm using that way is that all the panels got shapes. That's why I am just relaxing those panels and do same as it is. Now attaching my bottom piping to the sleeve. Here I have finished my all the stitches for the same allowances of sleeve, and I have done the secure stitches as well. All finished, gathers are done, and I hope you learned something from this video. Like I said from the beginning, and hem is like this. I did 1/4 inch hem. Let's see the inside of the garment. This is the inside look. I think now you can see inside of all the gathering and seam attachments, everything clearly, as it is a printed fabric and it's a busy print actually, and you cannot see much detail. And here in here middle seam you got to iron it very well. Yeah, all finished, and I hope you like the video. And this is the back of it, and it's me wearing the top now. Bye, thanks for watching.